Honk. 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 Allan, Rees, Bevan.
I'm in the front seat, the passenger seat of a car with 10 people I've never met in my life before. Around me is the most crazy and confusing crush of chaos. Let me explain. I'm in Bangalore for the first time in my life, and the traffic is insane. There are cars coming left and right and turning around. There's taxis and buses overflowing with bodies. There are scooters with whole families on them, a father, a child, a toddler, a child, a mother. Tuk-tuks go wherever and however they want. A sacred cow casually slumbers in the middle of the road. An old woman wanders aimlessly, absolutely oblivious throughout the traffic. And of course, street dogs running and roaming relentlessly. Drivers turn left, they turn right, they turn around. The shortest way across a roundabout is straight across. I'm going to die. And the noise, the constant honk, 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 everywhere, all the time. What the hell is going on? My new friends are absolutely fine. I turned to the driver next to me, a young Hindi man. Are there no traffic rules? There are no traffic rules. There is only the one rule. Be aware and take care. Okay, we are absolutely dying today. How were there no car accidents? Why did people not crash into each other? No crashes. As you move, they make space. As they move, we make space. And the noise? What's all the noise? This is not noise. It's communication. Honk, honk, I'm here. Honk, honk, I'm going over here. Honk, honk, make some space. And suddenly the chaos of 15 million people on the road at the same time turned into wonder for me. I looked around in awe. This wasn't chaos. This was care. 15 million people caring for each other. No wonder my Indian friends were so calm and happy. And isn't this life? We go through life and we have a lot of noise, we have a lot of chaos, we get distracted by people taking left turns and right turns and sometimes just stopping. My worst day is a dream for somebody else. The worst day in Sydney traffic is an absolute dream in Bangalore. I can tell you that right now. And the noise is always there if we choose to listen to it. Let me tell you about my last 2 years. My last 2 years have felt like the worst day in Bangalore traffic. I've had people turn left. I've had people turn right. I've had people stop. The chaos has sometimes overwhelmed me. The noise has sometimes been too much for me to bear, and it has drowned out everything around me. Sometimes I've not been able to see a way forward through the traffic jam of my life. You will all know that we got divorced last year. My mother broke her hip and became completely financially dependent upon me. And in November last year, I was faced with the prospect of getting rid of everything in our house so that I could move somewhere that I could afford, but I couldn't afford it. I was heading for a car crash. And throughout it all, I had people honk, honk. Hey, Allan, are you okay? Honk, honk. Hey, Allan, honk back. Let's have a chat. And the loudest honk of all came one night in November from my dear ex-wife. Yes, you heard me right, my dear ex-wife. She phoned up one night and she said, look, I know that you're in trouble. I know you're worried about where you're going to have to move. We have a friend who is going to be living on a yacht for a year, and they need someone to move into their house rent-free. Suddenly, the traffic jam cleared. I had a way forward. The weight of the world and all the chaos and all the noise disappeared in an instant. Life was good again. My chaos had settled. In your life, do you have people who are in the same traffic jam? Are your people suffering from chaos and noise? And when you are suffering from chaos and noise and can't see the way forward, do you listen out for the honk honk? Do you hear your people saying, I'm here, give me a call? And when you see your people in that situation, what are you going to do? You're going to honk honk. Madam Contest Chair.
We'll now have 1 minute silence for the judges to do their ballots.